Introducing Cricut Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets. Whether it's for party favors, team spirit, or just for fun, creating temporary tattoos on your Cricut has never been easier. Start by identifying the printable side of your tattoo sheet. It's the blank side. The back side has a text watermark on it, making it quick to tell the difference. Before getting started on Design Space, check your printer's instructions, or do a quick test print to make sure you know which side of the sheet it will print on. This way, you know how to load the tattoo sheets so that they are printed on the blank side. After prepping your printer with tattoo sheets, open Cricut Design Space and customize your design. Once your design is ready, select the Print Then Cut compatible Cricut machine you will be using and then click Make. You will want to mirror your design since it will be transferring off of the tattoo sheet directly. Next, select your printer in Design Space and print your design using an inkjet printer. Once your print is completed, use a hairdryer and dry the printed area on high for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the ink to dry much quicker. Be sure to let it cool before moving on. This next step must be done, or your temporary tattoo will last for only a few moments. Take one of the clear protective sheets that came with your Cricut Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets and peel the liner from the top of the sheet. Begin to apply the protective sheet at the top of your printed design, and then peel the rest of the liner from underneath. Applying the sheet on your tattoo sheet adds a glue-like layer to ensure that the tattoos will stay on the skin for a lasting effect. Use a scraper to smooth out any bubbles. Then, place the tattoo sheet, watermarked liner side down on your light grip mat. Continuing in Design Space, you will select Browse All Materials and choose Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets as the material you will be cutting. Now you will be prompted to load the mat into your Cricut machine. Once it is loaded, press Go, and your Cricut will begin cutting out your tattoos. When the cut is complete, unload the mat and carefully remove your designs. Don't peel off the clear layer until you're ready to apply the tattoo. When you are ready, make sure the skin is clean and dry. Peel off the clear layer and place the tattoo face down on the skin. Then use a damp cloth to soak the tattoo for 25 to 35 seconds. Gently peel away the paper to reveal your custom tattoo. To keep your tattoo looking great, avoid rubbing against clothing or accessories for the first 30 minutes. To remove it, gently wash with mild soap and water. Ready to get creative? Grab your Cricut Printable Temporary Tattoo Sheets and start designing today. If you find you need additional help, check out Cricut's Help Center website. Thanks for watching.